Connect your computer to your Cisco router, server, or network equipment. This 6 feet Cisco Console Cable, rollover cable is a cost-effective replacement cable which enables you to connect your computer to your Cisco router, server, or network equipment. This durable Cisco Console Cable is a direct replacement cable that conforms to the Yost serial device wiring standard. Top reviews from the United States. Works with Alcatel. I work with Cisco as well as Alcatel switches. Government is behind the times. This is what you need to roll over for a 6800 series Alcatel. Allows me to use the Cisco Blue cable both DB9 as well as USB to Cat5 on Alcatel perfectly. Handy gadget for network techs. This is great for accessing the console port of Digi and OpenGear console servers with a standard Cisco console cable, or accessing the console of another device via a Cisco router's aux port. Does what it's advertised to do. Nothing fancy here, this is simply an adapter that converts your straight-through Ethernet cable into a rollover cable. Rather than recycle through official Cisco rollover cables for my console needs whenever the pin on Ethernet jack breaks off, I can use any old straight-through Ethernet cable and plug it into the adapter and be on my way. In the end it may be a bit more pricey, but the flexibility it provides you in your consoling needs is worth the slightly additional cost.